bug.
Yeah, these are crickets with corn and seasoned with ants. Help yourself.
Roaches.
Eat it.
Yep.
Roaches.
What's that?
Let's eat it together.
Oh, sure. Why not?
Let's do this. You got this? Primo.
You gotta do salute,
Take
right?
a picture of this. I'm about to eat this.
That's right. Here we
Hurry
go.
up.
Don't freak me out now. We're going 1, 2, 3, and down the hatch.
What's that, grasshoppers?
Hurry up.
What's that, grasshoppers?
No, these are crickets and
Take a
corn.
picture of me eating.
Crickets and corn.
That's right. Here we go.
Salute.
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 Whoa! And the chef too.
Good stuff.
Taste it. I'm gonna throw it in the salad. My hand fell out. Go for it. You only live once. Do it.
That's right. Exactly. Well,
Yeah!
Now tell them the bad news. It grows hair in
Hay
it.
hambre.
I'm a hairstylist.
Deja como
see, I'm going to use that in my
Hay
next
hambre.
film.
Crickets and stuff.
Okay, don't lean on the table, please. Thank you.
Scorpions right there.